What's up, everybody? Right here, out here, just working on the Impala. Got on jack stands. I'm about to mount up some rock lights because you know, I gotta keep up with everybody. Okay, here it is. I picked these up on Amazon. They were pretty nicely packaged up, already pre-wired and everything. I kind of started untying stuff already, so it looked neater than that. And because it was pre-wired, it made it easy to just grab these two wires and hook them up to the battery and verify everything was running properly. So that was legit. And this is what the package looked like. So tried them out. They were pretty bright. We'll go ahead and hook those up, then I'll show you guys the results. Okay, so we got the back seat pulled out. I drilled two little holes right here this is where I got one of the lights mounted underneath. Those will be hidden, those screws will be hidden behind the panel, so I'm not too worried about that. I do really hate drilling into the car, so I always try to avoid that, but there wasn't really anything I could build off of and make a bracket in this location of the corner by the wheel well. So that was my option. I think I'm going to probably remove the battery and see if I can't just put a light on the floor on the underside somewhere in this area. There's the seat. So yeah, let me get back at it. Got a couple more to go. right, guys. Hope you guys liked the way those lights turned out. Let me tell you where I mounted them. I put one right here. In that spot, I put another one right about here. And then I put another one in the middle. And then right there by the front wheel, about here. And then I got the other one right here in this spot. And those are the spots that I chose for the lights to be mounted. So I hope you guys like the way they turned out, and appreciate you checking out this video. Hope it helps you out when it comes time to decide what kind of lights you guys want. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.